Welcome to Lettering ASMR. Hello my dear stationery lovers. Today we are going to unbox and review Brustro metallic brush pens. I have cracked such a wonderful deal on Amazon. Got 200 GSM black paper free with pens. Packaging is beautiful. They come in 10 different shades. The quality of papers are so good. Pause to read the features of pens. The tip is moderate, neither too soft nor hard. It's very easy to manage upstrokes and downstrokes. Let's try all shades. Wow, the pens are so juicy. It's looking so beautiful on black sheet. Wow, it works wonders on white sheet as well. These pens are a must-have for all brush pen calligraphers. Trust me, it's worth it. For more unboxing and review videos, please check other videos too on my channel, and please do subscribe to my channel.